Hi everyone, so in this week's tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Wix tutorial we're gonna learn how we can add our Instagram feed to our Wix website. Okay, so I'm gonna add my Instagram feed right here to this Wix website. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just create an empty column right here. So to do that I'm gonna go to this side menu, click on plus and choose strip and classic. I'm gonna choose this empty template and drag it to the website where you want to have your Instagram feed. So now we can stretch this section so we have a bigger area for the Instagram feed so we can play around. Okay, after that we're gonna go to the left sidebar, choose add apps. So this will open up the Wix app market. And now we're gonna search for Instagram. Hit enter. So we have different apps where we can show our Instagram feed. In this tutorial, I'm gonna choose Instagram feed by Wix. All right, so we're gonna click on add. And this will install the Instagram feed on our Wix website. So now we want to customize this Instagram feed. So first we're gonna go and click on this one, settings. Okay, so now we need to connect our Instagram account. So first go to a new browser and go to instagram.com. Okay, so make sure that you are logged in to the Instagram feed you want. So in my case, I'm gonna use an Instagram feed from Raw Natural Life. So to be able to use this one, I need to log in to this profile, all right? When you're logged in, we can go back to the Wix website, click on Connect Instagram. Then you got this pop-up. So Wix is requesting to do the following: access your profile info, access your media. So caption, media count, media type, media URL, permalink, timestamp, and thumbnail. So just click on authorize if you agree with this. Like that. So now we can see my Instagram feed right here. So I'm just gonna stretch this column some more. So we currently have 6 images and this show more button, all right? So click on your images and choose settings one more time. So now we need to customize this Instagram feed. So we got the main where we can disconnect the Instagram feed. We can also add links. We're gonna cover that in this section, but first we're gonna click on layout. So now we have gallery layout. You can choose a layout. We got grid, slider, and we have this one, collage. All right. So in this tutorial, I'm just gonna use grid. And now we can choose images per row. So I'm gonna choose 4, like that. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 images per row. And now we can choose rows. I want to have 1. So now we have 1 row. Then we can add spacing. So the spacing between the images. If you want to have more spacing, just increase it. Like that. Let's go for 10. So that's the layout settings. Now we can go to this one, settings, click on that. So now we can change the language, so show feed in English, but you can choose your own language if you like. In my case, I'm gonna click on English. Enable show more button. So this button, if you want to hide it, just uncheck this one. And now the show more button is gone. So what this show button does is the visitors can see all their images from your Instagram feed by clicking on this button. All right. So if I click on this button, this will load more images. We also have this one, photo expands to full screen. You can uncheck this one or check this one. So let's go and have a look how this will work. I'm gonna go and click on preview. And when I click on this image, this will expand this image to a full screen view. Okay. So I'm gonna click on X. I'm gonna go back to editor. Just gonna open up settings. Go to settings. And this is the setting, photo expand to full screen. If you don't want to have that, you can just uncheck this one. Then we can go to display. We can click on hover. So show description. So this description from your photo, if you want to hide it, just uncheck this one like that. So I'm just gonna show my description like that. And this is just the preview of this setting. Let's go back, click on full screen photo. So preview your site to check out your images in full screen. Okay, so when we have a full screen mode, do you want to show the description or not? Then we have the sign. So we got show more button. We can change the button style. If I click on this plus sign, we have this plus sign. Or if I click on this one, we got the show more button. We can change show more font style. You can change fonts. So let's say I want to have this one, Barlow medium. And we can change font size like that. Let's keep it at 17. And we can change bold, italic, underscore. Okay. We also have this one, text and border color. You can change the border color. So maybe to this blue color. Or you can just click on this one, add color. You can add your own hex color, RGB or HSB. Or you can just move around the marker like this. And you will see the color right here. Okay. So let's say I want to have darker blue. Click on add. And now we have the darker blue on our show more button. Okay. You can also change the transparency like that. I'm gonna keep it at 100%. Same thing with background color. You can change it to maybe red, green. So whatever you like. And same thing right here, add color by hex, RGB or HSB. So I'm gonna change this to white background. And same thing here, you can change the transparency of the background. Like that. We have border width. If you want to have a thicker border like that, I'm gonna keep it at 2. And we have corner radius. If you want to have rounded corners, we can increase this one like that. So I'm gonna keep this at 10. So that's the sign. Now we can go to links. So add links to your Instagram feed. So use links on your Instagram feed to direct visitors to products, pages, or other websites. Okay. So just click on add custom link. Click on add links. Choose the post you want to add a link to. So let's say I want to use this one. Just click on the post. And this will open up this preview and link options. So you can add up to 3 links. I'm gonna click on add link. You can choose to link to a page within your Wix website or to an external web address. Okay. So let's say I want to link to my own website page. Choose page. Which page? So I'm gonna choose a page. So let's say I want to link this to services. You can add a description, and we can change the image if you like. Click on change image. So this will open up your media library. You can upload the media or choose free images from Wix. So I'm just gonna choose an image. So let's say I want to choose this one and click on add to page. And now we have a new image for this link. We can change button text. So go to services and click on save link. Congrats, you've added your first link. Awesome. Now you can add 2 more if you like. After that, just click on done. And let's go and preview this one. Just click on preview. Now we can see that we have this link icon in the top right corner of this image. If I click on the image, you will see that we have this link that we just created. We have the image, we have the description, and we have the button. So this link will only work on your live site. So when you publish your site and it's live, your link button will work. And if I click on show more, this will load more images. Okay, and if I go back, click on settings, we only have this one, support, where you can find information about troubles, you can get support, and you can review this Instagram feed. Then just click on add review. So that's it. This is how you can add your Instagram feed on your Wix website. I hope this helped. And also, I am a Wix partner. That means you can hire me if you want me to build your website or add some extra customization to your website. You find contact information below.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video was helpful. If you like this one, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here if you like this video. And if you want, you can check out my latest video right here. And I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.